Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some BODMAS, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us, we need to simplify this, and we can see there's lots of things happening. So in order to make our lives easier, we're going to use this really nifty tool called BODMAS. Starting off with B, which means brackets, we can see there is a pair of brackets there, but those brackets indicate that the minus 12 is being multiplied by the minus 2. So there aren't any brackets that we need to worry about in this expression. Moving on to O, which is of, we can see there isn't any of to do, so we can move on to E, which is exponents. Now we need to start doing some work. We can see that there is an exponent that needs to be dealt with, and that is the 3 to the 3. So let's start there. Right, so we're going to say 3 cubed. What does that mean? It means 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Right, so we've dealt with that exponent, and now we write in the rest. Minus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. Right, so we have dealt with our exponents, and we move on to division. Now we can see there is some division, so let's highlight what we need to divide. It's going to be a plus 3. Got a ha-de-da in the background there. Apologies. Ha-de-da. Still there. Now gone. Plus 3 divided by 3. So plus 3 divided by 3. So remember that plus sign belongs to the 3. Cool. So let's move on to this. Let's simplify it. So we're going to leave the rest of the expression the same. So it's going to be 27 minus 12 times minus 2. And we've got plus 3 divided by 3. So plus divided by a plus is going to give us a plus. 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1. Right, moving on to the next part. And that is multiplication. So we can see there's a little bit of multiplication here. And it's going to be the minus 12 times the minus 2. Right, so let's move on to that. So 27 stays there. And we've got minus 12 times minus 2. So the minus and the minus become a plus. And then 12 times 2 gives us 24 plus 1. Right, so that's all the multiplication we have dealt with. And all we're left with is addition. So let's move on to the addition now. And we'll go step by step through that. So we've got 27 plus 24. Can you do that in your head? So 27 plus 24 is going to give us 51. So we can write 51 plus 1. Right, so we've got one little step to go. 51 plus 1. And that's going to give us 52. And that should give you the correct answer to this particular question. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay